Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift, and I'm super excited to take you on this walk-around tour of this brand new 2022 Heli pneumatic forklift, model number CPYD 50KUH. Now, this bad boy has a base capacity of 10,000 pounds and it runs on LP. You can see that it's brand new, still even covered in the plastic. You'll see here that it has four-way hydraulics, and while we're on this side, I'll show you that it has this cup holder as well. Coming up here to the mast, this is a 3-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 185 inches. And it has your hang-on side shift, and one of my favorite features, your fork positioners. This forklift will come with your choice of 42 or 48-inch standard tapered forks. Looking at the tires, you can see that these are black traction solid pneumatic tires. Coming up here to the front, we have some great lights up here. Let me hop up aboard this beast and show you these lights. We have these combination lights here that show you that work light as well as your turn signals. And we also have those ultra bright LED headlights as well. And coming inside the cab, we have lots more great features, including these dual rear view mirrors. We also have a steering wheel knob and a full suspension seat that is adjustable with your incline, with your forward and back, and also with your suspension. And it has that high visibility seat belt as well. Back there on that back pillar, we have that rear pillar handle with the horn, which is a great safety feature for your operator to have. And up on top, we have lots of lights. We have those combination lights that show you your brakes as well as your turn signals and the backup, and you'll hear the alarm as well. Up on top, you see that magnetic strobe that can be repositioned. And I want to show you one of my favorite features of the truck, the LP swing down tank. This feature makes changing out your LP tank a breeze. If I can do it, anyone can do it. Takes all the weight off your back so that when you're changing out that tank, it's much easier. Just a couple of clips and there you go. Now this forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. So if you have any questions, or you'd like to demo this truck, or you're just ready to buy, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449, or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as other features that you need to know about.